In this video, we're going to learn about cholesterol levels. So we need to know what cholesterol is and what its role is within the body. We need to know how your body manufactures cholesterol, and we also need to know about the roles of high-density lipoproteins and low-density lipoproteins, and how the proportions of them in the body can affect your health. Cholesterol is a type of lipid or fat. And it's found within the cell membrane, within those phospholipids that make up the plasma membrane. We also need cholesterol to make the sex hormones testosterone, estrogen and progesterone. We get cholesterol principally from our diet. A diet that is high in saturated or animal fat will cause an increase in the cholesterol levels in the blood. Your cells, however, can also synthesize cholesterol, right? But 25% of total cholesterol production takes place in the liver. Lipoproteins are special proteins that transport cholesterol around the body. There are two main types of lipoproteins: high-density lipoprotein and low-density lipoprotein. So high-density lipoproteins are often referred to as the good cholesterol, because what they do is they transport excess cholesterol from the body cells to the liver so that the liver can eliminate this excess cholesterol from the blood. This then prevents the accumulation of excess cholesterol in the blood. Low-density lipoprotein transports cholesterol to the body cells. Low-density lipoprotein is sometimes referred to as the bad cholesterol. Most body cells have got LDL receptors on their cell membrane that take LDL into the cell. The LDL then releases the cholesterol. LDL has more cholesterol than protein in its structure. HDL has more protein than cholesterol. Once your cell has enough cholesterol, a negative feedback system inhibits the synthesis of new LDL receptors, and LDL remains circulating in the blood. This means that it can deposit cholesterol in the arteries and lead to the formation of atheromas. If you have a higher ratio of HDL to LDL, this will result in a lower blood cholesterol and a reduced chance of atherosclerosis, because you will have less cholesterol circulating within your blood. The higher your LDL is compared to your HDL, the higher your risk of cardiovascular disease. So you want low LDL and high HDL in your cholesterol ratio. So how can we reduce cholesterol levels? Regular physical activity has the effect of raising HDL levels. Dietary changes which reduce the amount of saturated or animal fat in the diet will reduce the cholesterol levels. And also reducing the total amount of fat consumed within the diet will help to reduce cholesterol levels. If dietary changes don't work, then GPs may recommend medication. Drugs such as statins reduce cholesterol levels by inhibiting the synthesis of cholesterol by the liver cells.